Hi, I'm Roger and welcome back to the Tractor Tech channel. In a recent video I put the AvalonKing ceramic coating on this Kubota BX 2360 tractor. This is going to be my first follow-up video so we can see how well it holds up and how easy it is to maintain. I put the deck back on the tractor. At the end of this year I'm going to put the AvalonKing ceramic coating on the mower deck, but I also want to put the ceramic coating on the L4240, and I want to do it first and then I'm going to do the mower deck because I don't want to be using that same foam block on the mower deck and possibly getting it dirt and some grit. So I'm going to try to get it as clean as I can, but I don't want to get dirt and grit on the foam block and then be using that on the 4240 and be creating a bunch of swirls on the paint on that tractor. So I'm just going to hold up and probably do that at the end of the year when I take the deck off. But it's been very dry here, and pretty much the only thing that's been grown is weeds, but the grass is looking really bad, so I need to mow. So I know there's going to be a bunch of dust blowing around. So we're going to see how bad the dust sticks to the ceramic coating and then how easy the tractor is to clean up once I'm done mowing. It has been a week since I put the AvalonKing ceramic coating on the tractor, and you can see it still looks just as good as when I initially did it. One thing I want to show you is how hydrophobic this ceramic coating is. This is just water out of my water bottle, which came out of the well. I've never seen anything that hydrophobic before, and I think that's a pretty good indicator of how easy the tractor is going to be to maintain with this AvalonKing ceramic coating. I got done mowing and it was dark and I didn't want to continue this video, so now I'm going to finish it up the very next day. What I would normally do is blow the tractor off and blow the mower deck off, and then if I had time I would either hose the tractor off or use my foam cannon on it. But I'm going to do things a little differently to see how the ceramic coating works. I'm going to hose the tractor off now and see how well the dirt comes off of it. I'm going to bring the camera in closer now and show you how much dust is on. It may be a little bit tough to tell on camera, but the tractor has like a dull look to it because there's a thin film of dust all over the tractor. And to show you how much dust is on it, see the line I drew on the tractor there? And then if you look down here, you can see the frame is pretty clean up through here. But then like back in here, I really didn't get the ceramic coating on there. I noticed there's more dust sticking to that area. Alright, so now I'm just going to use a garden hose to hose the tractor off. I should mention that all the black plastic on this tractor was not treated with the AvalonKing ceramic coating. I just used a regular plastic protectant on it. Not Armor All, but it still does attract dust and dirt, as you can see. So far the tractor's looking really good. So now I've hosed the whole tractor off. I'm going to follow up with an electric leaf blower to dry the tractor off. I like to use an electric leaf blower because I can get into areas like this that you can't with a towel. And since I didn't wash the tractor, there still may be some dirt. I really don't want to create a bunch of scratches by using a microfiber cloth to dry the tractor. I know I keep showing the hood, but the hood's like the easiest area to show since this is a tractor, but this will be another good little test to see how well the tractor dries off with the ceramic coating. So you can see now the tractor is pretty much spotless. The AvalonKing ceramic coating is extremely hydrophobic, so when I put the leaf blower on it, the water just ran right off. Alright, so with just a simple rinse with a garden hose and a blow dry with electric leaf blower, the tractor looks just as good as what it did last week after I installed the AvalonKing ceramic coating on it. Seems like it's going to be very easy to maintain and keep the tractor looking great. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this.